So good morning, my dear student. I hope you all are fine. So we will begin period 2 of light, that is transparent, translucent and opaque. So what is transparent, what is translucent and what is opaque? The substances that allow almost all light to pass through them are called transparent substances. Suppose I have told here is a mirror and I will pass a light from here. I will pass light from here and it passes all light. All light is passed from the mirror or a thin plastic sheet. Let's say this is a thin plastic sheet. All the light is passed from this thin plastic sheet. Then it is a transparent substance. If all light if all light is passed through any substance, if all light is passed through any substance, then it is called transparent substance. What are the other example? You can say clean water. In clean water, if the water is clean, you may also see at your home that all the light passes through it. You can able to see the light in the next part. Because why it passes? Because transparent substance. It allow all part of light to pass through it. Then now comes what is opaque. What is opaque? Opaque means it does not allow the light to pass through it. Suppose you have seen in your window, if you close the window, sunlight doesn't come to our home. Why it doesn't come? Because the wooden window, if you say you have a wooden window at your home, suppose this is the wooden window and it is closed, the sunlight doesn't comes. This is our room, suppose, and the sunlight doesn't comes to our home. Why? Wooden window is a opaque material. Okay, and if any metal is there, if metal also does not allow light to pass through them, so they are what? Opaque substances. Okay, and brick also. So example, what you got? Metal. Please note it down. It is metal, brick and wooden door or window. Okay, so they form what? Shadow. They form shadow. Please remember this. They form shadow. Which substances form shadow? Opaque substances form shadow. Give 1 point, give it a star and write they form shadow. They form shadow. Now let's move to the next substance, that is translucent substance. You can see a tracing paper or a frosted glass in your bathroom. Frosted glass you will be able to see in a bathroom or any glass window. Some houses you can see in your locality, they have glass window. What is the speciality of that glass window? The speciality of that glass window is that they allow partial light to pass through. You cannot see properly through them. So this is a frosted glass. Remember the example, frosted glass. They allow the light partially, not completely. Suppose light is coming with a high tendency over here, but from here light will pass very less. So these type of substances are called translucent substance. Very, very important. These three: transparent, translucent and opaque. Okay, translucent substance, you cannot see through them. Remember that you cannot see through them clearly. Example, you can say frosted glass. This is the guarantee question in your exam. Frosted glass. And also you can say tracing paper. Tracing paper also you can say. Please note it down in your copy or any note. So student, now we will learn about the uses of transparent, translucent and opaque. First is the spectacles. Many of you must have been wearing spectacles. It is made up of transparent glass. Spectacles are made up of transparent glass, which is very useful in our day-to-day life, and also window in our kitchen. We see some kitchen, you may see the transparent glass windows are made. Translucent substance, the bathroom window made up of frosted glass, or you can see the bathroom window or any other window panes in the bathroom. It is made up of translucent substance which doesn't allow us to see the outside person can't see our bathroom. Okay. Next is your opaque window curtain. What about window curtain? At night we switch on lights in our house, yes or no? But we don't want anyone outside to see inside our house. So we use curtains made up of opaque materials to cover window panes at night. Is it clear? I think clear. So thank you for joining, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, press the like and share as much as you can. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.